Alright, welcome to another tutorial for the batch program. In this case, we'll be going through the printing options. This was actually the original intention of the program, just to be able to print every drawing from an assembly, and it's since grown into what it is now, but this is the main one. So in our setup, we had set it so that every drawing that exists is black, so we have all these selected. I'm not going to print off all of them. I've actually turned off my printer right now just so it doesn't have to waste any paper. But you remember in our print settings, we've got the generic print settings already here. Pretty straightforward. Again, drawing location is simply that the location on the disk is printed on the page, so that if you have a lot of files in your drives, you don't have to go searching around for it if you find something on the floor. This is important here. Make sure that your print sizes available are selected. So in my case, I've only got an A size printer connected to this computer. If you had a B or C size, select those there. That way, when you select your scale down option, you can choose to scale them down to the appropriate size. In my case, I've only got an A size. I'm going to show kind of how this works. So in this particular setup, the way I've got it, if you don't have a B size and you want to print a B size, so let's just do this printing full size. This sheet here is I'll open up, I'll show you, it's a B size sheet, and I've only got an A size printer, so if I was trying to print this one off, it will give me an error. Let me show you what that looks like. So I currently don't have any B-size printing, so it's going to skip this drawing and go to the next one because I've only got one drawing printed. So if you ever see that, make sure you have this selected, or you scale down. In this case, we'll say ask every time. So if we ran the exact same process with the scale down option, we'll print our drawings and it'll ask, we're printing a B size, and we can choose to scale it. If you have other options, it'll show up here, or you can just use the old print dialog option there. The last option is the one I use most commonly. Is I'll have it set to scale down automatically, because generally I'll print a B size for everything and it'll just get scaled down unless there's a really big plot that I have to do. So I'll have these automatically scale, and so then when you actually have the print, you won't have any interruptions. It'll just go straight through. Or of course my printer's offline right now, but that way you can literally print hundreds and hundreds of drawings from a single click. I find this probably be the most useful part of the program. Hope that is insightful, and if you again have issues or questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.